Hey guys, I'm Dav from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel. Before start this video, be sure to subscribe and please hit that bell notification for getting update whenever I upload a new video, and follow me on my Instagram where I upload my new artwork on regular basis. As always, select your image, adjustment, hue saturation, select yellow, reduce saturation minus 80%. Select green, reduce saturation minus 100%. Select cyan, reduce saturation minus 100%. Select blue, reduce saturation minus 100%. Select magenta, reduce saturation minus 100%. Go to adjustment, selective color. Here select red, make cyan minus 30%. Yellow plus 30%. Keep rest as same 0%. Select yellow, make cyan minus 100% and keep rest as same 0%. Go to neutrals, make cyan plus 5% and keep rest as same 0. Go to blacks. Here make all slide bars cyan, magenta, yellow, black plus 100%. And that's it. This is my final output. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my work with Photoshop, don't forget to click the like button, sharing this video and subscribe this Adobe Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Photoshop effect tutorials. Also, you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video soon. I am Dav from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel.